ULDP as a whole is a holistic leadership program that tests you with all the various challenges a leader may face in various simulations. I think we start off with our virtual learning, which really equips us with the sort of skills and thinking that are then put to work in our various challenges when we arrive here physically, in all our business simulations, etc. And I think that really pushes us.
For me, I think ULDP is an opportunity to learn new stuff, upskill yourself and develop personal growth, especially if you want to have like a CEO mindset. I think this is a very exciting opportunity for you to explore that area.
It was very impactful because I realized there's actually so much more for me to know. So I think it really just sparked something. I feel like it's something I'm interested in now and would be something I might want to venture into the future. I'm actually a bit anxious at times, and with the simulations, it really stretches you thin. You have to be very orderly with your thinking. There's no way you could be anxious, if not, things will not get done. So I would say a really big takeaway for me is actually to really just be calm and procedural when approaching everything.
Insider knowledge of the industry, of how is the industry going on, if you have encountered a problem or a business problem, right? How do people actually solve it in the real world?
I would say ULDP is truly a game changer, and I would definitely say it's where the theory meets the action. It sharpens the skills and as well as it's grow beyond what I expect before coming here.
It's intense, eye-opening and incredibly rewarding.
True leadership is becoming a leader who can listen to others. Integrity is important, and the last one, to helping each other.
One lesson I learned is active listening is very, very important, and also try to be inclusive. So there are people out there who are shy to talk about their feelings or their inputs, but you really have to make them feel included, right? Because the more opinions you get before making a decision, hence the decision will have less risk to it. When people are voicing out their input, listen and engage with them and see from their point of view what are they thinking.
Problem solving, I think I've really honed, or worked on, because every single challenge we're given, you really have to dig deep and try and solve the problem, right? And I've understood now better ways to to actually think of a way, as well as maybe being a bit more creative.
It's trust, like ULDP has taught me a lot of trust. I mean, I need to trust my teammates because sometimes we don't have time to listen to their explanation, but I need to trust their judgment and their opinion so that we can get a decision in the short time period.
It's guided the whole way. You have mentors, you have very accomplished speakers coming in. So you're essentially offered very different perspective from different industry leaders. So that's been very helpful as well.
So moving forward after ULDP, I'm planning to start my own startup while giving back to the community.
Together with what I learned from ULDP, I decided maybe if I actually don't really venture into law, there's a lot of business skills and general leadership skills that I can pick up from ULDP.
If you're considering joining ULDP, I would just say, just do it, be courageous, have an open-minded, you'll definitely not regret it.
Go for it, don't miss the chance. I want you to be next year, ULDP Cohort 16. Let's go!
ULDP is where you leverage your CEO potential.
So if you want to become the next CEO, come join ULDP!